Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide the taskbar, dock, and title bar in your OBS screen recordings on both PC and Mac. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once the app launches, you'll see your main OBS interface with all your recording and streaming controls. Now, direct your attention to the Scenes panel and click on your preferred scene if you happen to have multiple scenes set up. This ensures you're editing the correct recording source for your current project. Next, navigate to the Sources panel located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll see all the sources you've added to your scene. For this tutorial, we'll work with the Display Capture source. Go ahead and right-click on Display Capture to bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, hover your mouse over Transform. This will reveal a submenu with various transformation options that give you precise control over how your display capture appears in your recordings. From the submenu that appears, select Edit Transform. This opens up a detailed window where you can fine-tune exactly how your capture area is displayed and cropped. In the Edit Transform window that opens, navigate to the Bounds section. You'll see a drop-down menu directly below it. Click on this drop-down menu and select Stretch from the available options. This setting ensures your display capture fills the frame properly while maintaining the aspect ratio you need for clean recordings without any black bars or distortion. Now, look below the Bounds section and you'll find the Crop section. This is where the magic happens to hide those unwanted interface elements. Navigate to the bottom field within the Crop section. You'll see a text field right beside it where you can enter a specific crop value. Click on this text field and type 58. This value crops out the bottom portion of your screen where the taskbar on Windows or the dock on Mac typically appears, effectively hiding it from your recordings while keeping the rest of your screen content visible. Once you've entered the crop value, navigate to the bottom right corner of the Edit Transform window and click Close. The changes will be applied immediately, and you'll notice that your display capture now excludes the taskbar or dock area from your recordings. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the taskbar, dock, and title bar from your OBS screen recordings, giving your videos a cleaner, more professional appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.